You are tuning in to another edition of our toy review. This time we are featuring the Reveal the Shield Perceptor from robot mode to microscope. Well, practically, hindi naman talaga microscope yung talagang alt mode ni Perceptor. For year 2011, he was released as a snowmobile, pero for some Transformer fans, they made a made a way na ma-maintain yung kanyang original alt mode, which is the microscope. Well, definitely good as a Autobot scientist, but anyways, this might look awkward, but for Transformers fans like me, good as well. Okay, to start with, of course, kailangan mo invento. Yan. Okay. Yan. Now, kailangan mo lang buksan to, yung backpack niya. Okay. Then, baba yung ulo ni Perceptor. Well, ito naman ang kagandahan kasi sa toy line na to, na maintain yung G1 mode niya. Then baba mo tong part na to. Yan. So practically parang halos binabalik mo na siya sa pagiging alt mode niya. Pero may konting changes lang, in which our aim here is to form the alt mode as a microscope. Pero somehow I think this is one of the parang intended manufacturing ni Perceptor na parang hidden manual or something. Pwede mo siyang gawing microscope, which is definitely good kasi yun naman talaga yung kanyang alt mode. And considering that he is an Autobot scientist, well, dapat lang na maging scientific equipment. But weird thing is, for Autobots, ang talagang setup nila is nagiging vehicles ang karamihan sa kanila, whereas yung mga Decepticons, yun yung mga equipment or yung mga daily items na nakikita natin. And now, speaking about the alt mode of Perceptor here, there comes the challenge of yan. Eto na yung challenge niya ni. Yung arms niya. Ayan. I might be wrong here, pero in some extended efforts, somehow, once again, this is not really an official alt mode, pero this is a fan-based creation. Okay, there we go. Ito na yung microscope mode ni Perceptor. Well, as you can see, ito yung pinaka-eyepiece. Okay? Ito yung adjustment knobs sa nakikita nyo. And of course, yung base, which is ito yung paa niya. And of course, dito yung subject or yung specimen. Which is magaling kasi knowing na maintain ng Hasbro yung especially this feature here. In some Transformer toys na ni-revive, some of the features have been modified, pero with Perceptor, some parts have been maintained, especially these knobs na you would identify that he is Perceptor and he is a microscope. Well, that's it for our toy review today. Please don't forget to make a comment on this. See if if I missed out something. Well, I would appreciate your comment. Thank you so much. You have a nice day ahead.